It's been just a month since OnePlus unveiled its 13th smartphone globally, but leaks about its successor have already started surfacing. It's not surprising that the company might skip the number 14. This could be the first ever look at the OnePlus 15T, last phone on the right. First up is the battery. The 15/15T is rumored to ship with a larger battery than its predecessors. The 13 already packs a 5,850 mAh cell in a compact body, while the 13T includes an even larger 6,260 mAh unit and a similarly slim 8.2mm frame. If OnePlus increases it further, the phone could be pushing toward the 6,500 mAh mark. Another notable change is the addition of a third rear camera. The 15T have a triple camera setup. The phone is expected to stick with a 6.3-inch display. The device is also expected to feature a new chip. OnePlus has historically used Qualcomm's latest silicon in its refreshed models. The upcoming phone powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. While global pricing remains unclear, a US launch at around $600 could make the 15T a serious contender. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.